showing you just how achievable this is. This book is not just another guide, it's a roadmap to wealth creation in the age of artificial intelligence. It breaks down complex concepts into practical strategies and step-by-step instructions, making it accessible for anyone aspiring to generate passive income online. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to turn your Etsy shop, Amazon KDP, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or website design venture into a goldmine. This book opens up a world of possibilities, illuminating the path from financial struggles to success stories. It's not just about leveraging AI tools, but also understanding their transformative impact on online money-making. The book provides a clear understanding of AI's role in optimizing marketing, enhancing customer engagement, and streamlining business operations. But the journey doesn't end there. The book guides you on how to build an online presence and create AI-driven platforms. It introduces innovative monetization strategies that use AI to identify lucrative niches, automate processes, and scale businesses. Wondering if this could be your story? The book shares real-life success stories of individuals who transformed their financial destinies with the principles outlined in it. These are not abstract concepts but real-life applications of AI in the world of online entrepreneurship. The vision of Broke to Billionaire: How to Make Money Online with AI is to empower individuals across the globe. It aims to transcend barriers and provide you with the tools and knowledge to thrive in the digital economy. So, are you ready to seize control of your financial future? Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey from broke to billionaire with the power of AI? It's time to take the leap. Get your copy of Broke to Billionaire: How to Make Money Online with AI today, and start writing your own success story. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos.